Excellency, Hikainde Hichilema, President of the Republic of Zambia, honorable ministers and senior officials, Excellencies, the diplomatic corps, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you. And Mr. President, let me begin by offering you and your delegation a very warm welcome. My trip to Livingstone last year was memorable. I will certainly not forget my encounter with a friendly cheetah. We remain thankful for the gracious hospitality we received while there. Mr. President, my dear brother, your visit is a testament to the friendship between the people of Rwanda and Zambia. It is also proof of the willingness to continue learning from one another in our shared journey toward sustainable development. With a direct flight to Lusaka almost every day of the week, Rwandans and Zambians now have more opportunities than ever to visit frequently and do more business together. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate you on taking office as the chairperson of COMESA. We look forward to working with you together to increase and improve trade in our region and contribute to the success of the African Continental Free Trade Area. Your participation in tomorrow's inclusive FinTech Forum demonstrates your commitment to accelerate financial inclusion on our continent. In the midst of overlapping crises, deepening our collaboration only serves to increase our gains and bring us more hope for the future. In that spirit, allow me to offer a toast to the good health of His Excellency Hikainde Hichilema and to the friendship between the people of Rwanda and Zambia. I thank you for your kind attention, and again, most welcome. Cheers to all of us, to all of you.